We are all set for the another match, that is KLY FC and Basin Boys. KLY FC in the red jersey and the Basin Boy in the green bibs. All set. We had a one very beautiful, wonderful match before this, which Hope United have won. They have very good star players as well in them. Now we are about to start. Kelwa have been the champions out here also. Very tough team, and Basin equally talented. The match is just started. Basin takes a kick. But let's pass it on to the midfielder.
Basin Boys versus Kelwa Football Association. Just for your information, Kelwa Football Association, KFA, are the winners of the Palghar District Football Association finals for the year 2024. Basin Boys. Kelwa. Into the attack right from the beginning. The ball cleared, throw in for Kelwa. Kelwa to take the throw in. Straight in the hands of the goalkeeper. What a beautiful throw. Basin Boys lose the position. Goalkeeper collects it, passes it onto the right. Basin Boys. Kelwa crosses it onto the left. Kelwa keeping the ball in their own half, tempting the Basin Boys players to come forward, maybe using that strategy to make way for their attackers. There they go. That's a throw in for Kelwa. That's cleared away by Basin Boys. Basin Boys having the position of the ball right now. Passes in. Well, there's a fumble. It was an opportunity. Kelwa looking for a man. Passes it back to number 15. Crosses it to the left. Into the penalty box. And, well, he managed to take the ball, but it went out of play area for a goal kick. Goal kick for Basin Boys.
After this match, coming up is the first quarter-final of 2024. OLPS Monori versus Tarun Sporting. Get set. Tarun Sporting versus OLPS Monori. Your match would be next. That's gonna be the quarter-final of 2024.
Kelwa into the center. Well, it was nicely defended. Looking for a man, can't find one. He tried to pass but was obstructed by the Kelva players. Kelva once again. Kelva on the left wing, number 21. That's a good one, but clear, and I think it's going to be a corner for Kelva, the first corner of this game. Well, it was blocked by the Basin boys' defense. Corner once again. That's headed but in the wrong direction. Throw in for Basin boys. That's a good one. Can Basin boys make on the right wing? Kelva.
OLPS Monori versus Tarun Sporting, a first quarter final coming up. Get ready. OLPS Monori versus Tarun Sporting, the first quarter final of Jesus Art Foundation 2024.
Goal kick for Basin boys. Oh, that was a very poor kick. That can be dangerous there. It is. It is. Well, Basin boys made a mistake and they got punished for it. You cannot afford to make such kind of mistakes in the penalty area. The goal kick had no power whatsoever. And the second mistake made by Basin boys, instead of clearing it on the sides, he tried to put the ball in the center where a Kelva attacker was just waiting for it. Well, Kelva made no mistake and Basin boys get punished by conceding a goal. Once again. Basin boys, once again. Kelva on the right. There is a player there. The goalkeeper had a slip, but it was nicely cleared by the defense of the Basin boys. Throw in for Kelva. Kelva once again into the attack. Nobody to stop him there. Well, he passes it wrongly.
The ball is outside the playing area now. That was wonderful goal scored by the Kelva FC. It was a mistake of the Basin boys. They had kept that goal open and they got punished, as Vijay said. It was right. Let's see if the Basin boys can come up to the task and equalize the game, but it is getting tougher because the Kelva boys very excited after scoring that goals, and the ball is with the Basin boy. It passes on the back again to the defender. They are playing a very defensive game, but they need to be little attacking. As you see, Basin boys, they are into the near the box. Can they convert this into goal? They have some chances. The player was there, but he missed it. The ball is outside the playing area now.
It's a throw in for Basin boys. Oh, well, that was not a very good left kick. Went wide out. Well, the wind is having some adverse effect on the player. There's a lot of dust and sand. Kelva, that was a nice pass. Basin boys. A throw in, quickly taken by Kelva. Kelva once again. Well, that was a wrong pass. Basin boys. Throw in for Kelva. Oh, no, it is a free kick. And that's the end of the first half with Kelva leading by 1 goal. Basin boys made that mistake for which they got punished. And let's see what they can do in the second half.
All right, coming up is the first quarter-final of the Jesus Art Foundation 2024 between OLPS Monori versus Tarun Sporting. Team members get set. The match would be immediately after this. And to my right, we have a giveaway. We have got 10 IPL tickets to be given away. If you come up, like, subscribe, and watch the match on YouTube. That's to my right. All you have to do is scan the code. And 10 of you lucky people are going to get IPL tickets. Yeah, DJ.
Well, that's the beginning of the second half with Kelva leading by 1 goal. Headed away by Basin boys. Kelva. Passes it back. That's an opportunity. Well, there's been a little bit of pushing and very good effort put there, but the Basin boys defenders not allowing the Kelva striker to take a shot at the goal. Kelva once again. That's a good pass. There is a player there. Can he get it? No. It goes past. It was too far out of his reach. Goal kick. Basin boys trailing by 1 goal. They have to score one if they have to stay in this tournament. That's a good piece of heading. Kelva on the right. That's a good pass. Well, he fell short of the ball. He is short anyway. Kelva on the right. Ball goes out of play.
Kelva had a pretty opportunity to score a second goal, but it was a little short to the striker. He couldn't make it. Basin defenders, two defenders tackling the ball with the striker. Kicks it in the center position. Very well collected and very well passed by the Basin boy. Let's see if they can.
There was some pushing. The referee has blown the whistle, and it's a free kick from 20 yards in favor of Basin boys. Very good opportunity to equalize. That's a good one, but straight into the hands of the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper makes no mistake. Kelva, wow, that was a good piece of dribbling. Nice one. Can get dangerous, but it is cleared away by the Basin boys defender. That was very close. Very good defending by the Basin boys, and it's a corner for Kelva. Referee advising the defender to stand behind. He wanted to stand right in front of the there it goes, and nicely collected by the goalkeeper. Passes it but to the wrong person. Kelva boys looking for a player. On to the right. Into the center. This can be dangerous. That was a good shot, lacking power, but very nicely. It was on target, but the goalkeeper deflected it over the crossbar, and another corner for Kelva. It was a nice opportunity for Kelva to score another one. Kelva once again. That's headed way away from the goal. Goal kick. Basin boys running out of time. Basin boys on the left. Well, into the area that is an opportunity, but straight to the goalkeeper. There was some pushing over there. It's a free kick for Kelva. Basin boys have made a change. Free kick. Just headed into the penalty area. That could have been dangerous. Ball still inside. Well, that was, I think the referee caught him. It was handball. Kelva player trying to hide it, but referee spots him. Throw in for Kelva. That's a nice one. Looking for a man. Can't find one. Loses possession of the ball. Basin boys quick to respond. Looking for someone, but can't find. Well, loses the ball once again.
Coming up is the first quarter-final of 2024 OLPS Monori versus Tarun Sporting. Both the teams get set immediately after this match. Is your first quarter-final OLPS Monori versus Tarun Sporting.
Basin boys once again into the attack in the center. Well, there is a man there, but Kelva clears it off. This can be dangerous. This can be dangerous. There is no defender there. Well, what a poor shot, I think. It was an opportunity for number 4 to score.
Absolutely. Vijay, we are in the midst of the second half of this
Once again,
round
Kelva
16.
into the attack.
The last match between Kelva FC versus Basin Boys. Kelva FC leading 1-0. And not to forget, OLPS Monori versus Tarun Sporting. Your first quarter-final of 2024 coming immediately after this match. Get set. Okay, Vijay.
There's a player on the ground. No, he's got up. He says he's okay. Well, he's sitting down again in pain, but he can carry on. Once again, Basin boys trying their best. Basin boys once again building up an attack, looking for his man onto the right wing, but not properly judged by the striker. Goes in the wrong direction. Goal kick. That's a good one. Kelva still with the ball, but nicely cleared by the Basin boys defender. Kelva still in possession of the ball. It is 2 versus 2. Kelva once again. He has beaten him. But the Basin boy defenders deny him of a shot. And it's cleared away very nicely. Basin boys once again into the attack. Can he go? Oh, he kicks it wide. Basin boy is wasting quite some valuable time. And that's the end of the match, and
Well, there goes the Biggle, and here we have Kelwa FC moving ahead into the quarters. Kelwa FC moving ahead into the quarterfinals. They are going to play with Hope United. But right now, the first quarterfinal of Jesus Art Foundation 19th year 2024 is between OLPS Monori versus Tarun Sporting. Team members